Hello and welcome to Advanced Technology for Teachers Summer 2011. I'm your instructor, Mike McGowan. I am the Supervisor of Technology for Lincoln Elementary School District in 156 in Calumet City. You can get some more information about me in my introduction, which I'll show you where that is in just a moment. In the meantime, if you ever have any questions and you need to be able to reach me, you can reach me through email at either one of these email addresses. Top one obviously being my St. Francis email, second one being my work email. I monitor these email addresses at all times, so I do get back to you fairly quickly. If you need to talk to me to where email might not work, feel free to give me a call. The top number is my office line. I'm available at that number, usually Monday through Friday from about 7:30 to about 4 o'clock. And the bottom number is my cell phone number. I'm usually available on that any time of the day. If you're familiar with Blackboard classes, especially at St. Francis, you're very accustomed to the icons that are available. But I've added a couple new ones that you will see from time to time, just to kind of make it a little bit easier to find what you're looking for. I will show you these icons where they fit in when we go over the class page here in just a second. When you log into Blackboard, this is what you should see for this class. This is our class homepage. From here, you're going to be able to get to the basic information for the class. Right off the bat, we do have a syllabus that's in a PDF file. That will give you all the information that you need pertaining to the class. Our second link here is the class introduction video, which is what you're watching at this moment. Then you got Meet the Instructor. This is to get a little bit more information about myself. Then you'll have the 8 weeks. Now, right now, you'll only see week 1 and week 2. And when it comes time for week 3, you'll see week 3 and week 4, and so on. I'll be releasing the class 2 weeks at a time. All the previous content will stay there, but like I said, every 2 weeks there'll be a release of another set of classes. After our classes here, you'll see the student lounge. This is a discussion area for you and your fellow classmates to talk about non-class related items if you wish. But then the last 3 here are provided by the university. The Safe Assign, library services, and tools to enhance learning. Feel free to explore those when you have time. Now, once you go into the week, we'll go ahead and into week 1 here. You'll notice the first link here is introductions. Whenever you see a page with a pin on it, that means this is a discussion that is a requirement for the class. And in most cases, we've set these up in blog form. And you will need to respond each week. That is going to be 10 of your 25 points for each discussion each week. And when you do your discussions and your reflections, you'll need to post, and then you'll need to respond to 3 other classmates' posts as well. All the discussions and reflections are started in their descriptions, and then you'll just post a new message and write your response. Each week, you'll see a folder that looks just like this, and what this means is there's files further into the folder, and in this case, it's the videos for week 1. Each week, I will be posting more videos. Most of them will be posted on my YouTube channel, so if you go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, you'll know when I post new videos, because I will make sure to always have that current week's video. So for example, if you go into week 2 at this exact moment, there's a chance not all videos will be ready yet, but they will be ready by the start of that week. You'll notice too down here we have the PDFs, basically just telling you that's a file that you can view. Normally the weekly discussion and the reflection rubrics are at the bottom, but for the first week I wanted to put them right with the discussion and the reflection, so you go ahead and read them. The next icon you'll see here with the ruler, the pencil, and the page, that's any assignment. The description for the assignment will be right here, along with any directions that you might need. Then you'll notice the talking people icon. Basically what this is a non-graded discussion thread. And each week there will be a general discussion and questions. So this way, instead of just one general spot, you can come into each week, ask any questions that you have about that week's topic or assignments. Feel free to email me if you do not want to post publicly. But a lot of times the question you have might be the same question someone else has. So if you're comfortable posting in this forum, go right on ahead. Then down here at the bottom, you'll notice the link to the ISTE-NET standards. We will be referencing those standards all throughout the semester, or the 8 weeks, and we'll be referencing those. So this is where they'll be in week 1. So that's the general overview for the class. Feel free to ask me any questions that you might have. Otherwise, I look forward to this 8 weeks,